Fothergilla Blue Shadow, a gardener's guide. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to answer your questions about the Fothergilla Blue Shadow, a captivating shrub that adds a touch of elegance to any landscape. This delightful plant is a hybrid of Fothergilla major and Fothergilla gardenia, inheriting the best qualities of both parents. But what exactly makes the blue shadow so special? Let's delve into its characteristics and how to cultivate it in your garden. The Fothergilla blue shadow is a deciduous shrub prized for its ornamental value. It boasts a compact, rounded form, reaching a mature height of 4 to 6 feet with an equal spread. This manageable size makes it ideal for foundation plantings, mixed borders, or even container gardening. The true showstopper of the blue shadow is its foliage. Unlike the green hues typical of most shrubs, this variety flaunts stunning glaucous blue leaves that shimmer in the sunlight. As the seasons change, the foliage puts on another dazzling display, transforming into a vibrant tapestry of red, orange, and yellow come fall. But the blue shadow isn't just a pretty face. In spring, it erupts in a profusion of fragrant, white bottle brush-like flowers, attracting butterflies and adding a touch of sweetness to the air. This delightful combination of captivating foliage, fragrant blooms, and vibrant fall color makes the blue shadow a true four-season wonder. Fothergilla Blue Shadow versus Mt. Airy. I've found that Fothergilla Blue Shadow has a more striking, silvery blue foliage compared to the more understated green of Fothergilla Mt. Airy. The blue shadow's color really pops in my garden, especially in the fall when it turns a brilliant orange. On the other hand, Mt. Airy has a denser growth habit, which makes it a better choice for a privacy screen. I enjoy the compact, rounded shape of Mt. Airy as it fits nicely in smaller garden spaces. How to plant and care for Fothergilla Blue Shadow. Adding a blue shadow to your garden is a rewarding experience. Here's what you need to know to ensure it thrives. Sunlight. The blue shadow prefers full sun to partial shade. While it tolerates some shade, full sun exposure delivers the best results in terms of flower production and maintaining the vibrant blue foliage color. Soil. This beauty thrives in well-drained, acidic soil. If your soil leans towards the alkaline side, consider amending it with organic matter like peat moss or composted pine needles to lower the pH. Watering. During the first growing season, water your blue shadow deeply and regularly to establish a strong root system. Once established, it becomes more drought-tolerant, but consistent, moderate watering is still recommended, especially during hot, dry spells. Fertilizing. While not strictly necessary, a light application of a balanced fertilizer in early spring can give your blue shadow a boost. Pruning. The blue shadow requires minimal pruning. However, if you wish to maintain its compact shape, light pruning can be done in late winter before new growth emerges. Remove any dead, diseased, or crossing branches to promote air circulation and overall plant health. Is Fothergilla Blue Shadow fast-growing? The blue shadow is a moderately slow-growing shrub, typically adding 6 to 12 inches per year. This slow and steady growth makes it a low-maintenance choice for your landscape. Is Fothergilla Blue Shadow deer-resistant? Fortunately, yes. Deer generally find the blue shadow's foliage unpalatable, making it a great choice for gardens frequented by these browsing herbivores. Is Fothergilla Blue Shadow suitable for container gardening? The blue shadow's compact size and moderate growth rate make it a good candidate for container gardening. Choose a pot with adequate drainage and use a high-quality potting mix formulated for acid-loving plants. Where can I buy Fothergilla Blue Shadow? Many reputable nurseries and online plant retailers offer Fothergilla Blue Shadow. Look for a healthy plant with vibrant blue foliage and a well-developed root system. By following these simple tips, you can cultivate a thriving Fothergilla Blue Shadow that will add a touch of elegance and year-round interest to your garden. So, why not consider adding this captivating shrub to your landscape and enjoy its beauty for years to come?